How's everybody doing today? This is Mike with another Photoshop tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you guys how to change the color on any car. Now cue that intro.
Watch this! Watch this!
Okay, so say you're out and about and you take a picture of a great looking car and you feel like changing the color of the car. So the quick and easy way of doing that is to take the photo in Photoshop and make a quick selection or use the pen tool. So here's the quick selection, or if you want, press P for the pen tool and then you make a selection of the car. I did my selection previously, so I'm about to show you guys how to change the color in the car. So when you make that selection, you first click the layer and then go to the top, hit select, load selection, and for the channel, change that from the transparency one to the car, and then press OK. So that loads the entire selection of the car. Now go down here and then hit solid color, and that will fill in that selection with a solid color like so. So I know what you guys are thinking, like, Mike, this doesn't look so good. That's okay. So the next thing you'll do is hit OK, be on your layers panel, and then change that from normal to color. So the photo, it will go back to the same color as the car used to be. So when that happens, go back onto the same layer and then double click on the box to change the color. So say you feel like changing the car to a nice green color, and boom, that's it. Hit OK. Now since you made a nice and clean selection, the color, it just goes on top of that selection, and it still has that, like, that metallic feel with the right reflections on the car door, the nice shadow, and the nice highlights that the sun brings. So that's one way of changing the car selection, and honestly, to me, I feel like this is the best way about doing it. So that's my green color for the Hulk, and then here's my, I guess, my beehive color. I really like his color, and then I made a nice little lavender color, and then this one is my, I guess, my Tiffany blue type color. To me, I feel like this color, it matches like the whole scene. Because it's pretty much the different shades of blue in the sky, and the nice gray from the parking garage. It makes the blue pop out. So that's it, folks. It's just as simple as making a selection of the car, going down and picking the solid color, and then changing the blend mode to color, and just going into the color panel and changing it to a color that you like the most. Thank you for viewing my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thank you. Bye.